Next, I'm going to keep the under seat storage box. So there's a little handle like thing, hold on to that and slide it under the seat. So this fits perfectly under the passenger seat and also under the driver's seat. In this box, we can store anything. I'm going to keep a few water bottles and a snack, and it also comes with a lid. So this is pretty cool. We can close the box and just slide it under the seat. This box can be also kept under the back side of the seat. So I'm going to keep a few things that are lying around in my car, umbrella, my gloves. So we can keep a lot of things in it and keep them organized.